I'm sorry, you were saying.
He's the kind of man who hurts people. Not like you, but he damages them. Breaks them.
Sorry, is that supposed to mean something?
So those are the people that you get out of your life.
Is that right? Like, I might generally be considered out of my skull. This might not mean much, but that's gonna be the craziest, most batshit thing I've ever heard in my life. People that can hurt you, the ones that can really hurt you, are the ones that are close enough to do it. People that get inside you and tear you apart and make you feel like you're never gonna recover. Shit. I would chop my arm off right here in this restaurant just to feel that one more time for my wife. My old lady shouldn't just break my heart. She'd rip it out. She'd tear it apart. She'd step on that shit, feed it to a dog. I mean, she was ruthless. She brought the pain. But she'll never hurt me again. You see, I'll never feel that. You sit here and you're all confused about this thing. You have everything. So hold on to it. Use two hands and never let go. You got it? Now you need to go in the back. You get the waitress. You tell the cook and anyone else who's back there to find the biggest piece of stainless steel and you get under it. Go now.
Wait, what's happening?
Buick. It's rolled around the block 3 times before it pulled up.
Who are they?
Some guys who are about to walk into a diner for the last time.